Hello, my name is Andrew Parkin, and I am your student's teacher for U.S. History this year, 2021 and 2022. A little bit about me. I am a social studies teacher here at Lakeside High School. In addition to teaching U.S. History, I also teach American Government and Civics and World Geography. This is my fourth year teaching at Lakeside, my sixth year teaching overall. In addition to being a teacher here, I'm also the junior varsity baseball coach and a co-sponsor for the FCA Club. A little bit more about me. I was born and raised in Northern California. I graduated from the University of California, Santa Barbara, both undergrad, where I got my degree in history, and graduate school, where I got my graduate degree in education. So, in U.S. history this year, there's a couple learning platforms that you'll need to know. The first is Google Classroom. So, if we have any sort of online assignment, it'll be through Google Classroom. And you can simply go to classroom.google.com. So all students have been given a code and have joined my Google Classroom. And if you want to be added to that as well, your student can show you how to add you as a guardian in Google Classroom in addition to that. For all of our grades, you can find those on the Infinite Campus platform. So Infinite Campus, as you can see there, is just campus.decab.k12.ga.us. So if you have not signed up for Infinite Campus, I would recommend you do so. It's a great way to keep up with your students' grades throughout the course. So in U.S. history this year, we'll be split into 2 semesters, and we'll be covering all of U.S. history. So this semester, first semester, we started with Native Americans before the arrival of Europeans, and we'll be going through the Civil War. When we come back after winter break, we'll be starting with Reconstruction from the Civil War and going all the way up until almost present day, about 2008. So in class each day, there's a few expectations that I have for your students. So for your student, every day they should come prepared with their Chromebook, and it should be charged, or they should have a charger with them. They should have a notebook to write in, and obviously a pen or pencil to write with as well. So students should be on time every day to class. They should also be respectful of themselves, first and foremost, the other students in class, as well as me. For tutoring opportunities, every Thursday we have something called SAIL, which is basically the students' homeroom period. So any Thursday they have SAIL, they can come in to my classroom during that time if they need tutoring, if they need to make up any sort of assessment like a quiz or a test, or if they have any questions about the class or the grades at all. If they want to contact me to set up that appointment, they can simply email me, and my email is there, which is andrew_parkin@decabschoolsga.org. And again, my email is there at the top. And for you parents, you can reach me also with my Google Voice number, which is there on the screen, which is 678-249-9516. So please feel free to email me at my email address, andrew_parkin@decabschoolsga.org. You can call me at my Google Voice number, or you can send me a text. So I usually can respond within 24 hours, but if there are extenuating circumstances, please allow me up to 48 hours to respond to you before you follow up. So thank you so much for your time. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions, comments, or concerns you have about the class or your student in the class. And again, my email is there, andrew_parkin@decabschoolsga.org, or my Google Voice number, which is area code 678-249-9516. Thank you again, and have a great day.